Hey there! Today we're going to be doing the F for Flounder cake. This is part of my Disney alphabet series. I'm going to be decorating the cake to look like Flounder from The Little Mermaid. All the recipes and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. Start by getting your favorite cake batter. I'm going to be dyeing mine yellow and blue to match Flounder's colors. I will leave my recipe in the description box down below, or you can use any that you'd like. I got my grease pan and now I'm going to be putting my batter in there. I'm going to be doing a marble swirl with the blue and yellow. Give it a couple taps and then I use a toothpick to marbleize this batter a little more. Bake this at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Once it's cooled, you can level it off. Trim away any of the cake you don't need. And then I also cleaned the edges and any extra little burnt pieces. Got my buttercream, dyed that yellow and started spreading it on. Do a little crumb coat there. I will leave my recipe for my buttercream as well in the description box down below, but you can use any that you like. Just put a thin layer of frosting on here and remove any excess frosting. Clean up the edges and the top, and then I'm going to place this in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes and then put my second layer on it. Once it's smooth, put it aside, and then we're going to roll out our blue fondant. This is going to be to make the blue designs that Flounder has on his back. So with an X-Acto blade, I just started cutting out some shapes and then start placing them onto the F. This is a very simple decoration. And here's that F for Flounder. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new around here and want to keep up to date with these recipes, the Disney alphabet, or anything else I make, hit the subscribe button as well. Let me know in the comments down below what character you think is going to go for each alphabet. And until next time, stay sweet.